If you're a regular watcher of my videos, thank you. The other thing is, you might notice, even though I try really hard, sometimes my undiagnosed OCD just comes through. This is one of those situations. Last few videos was about working on the HVAC vent movement and problems with them inside the truck. I got good flow. It's going the right spots now, but it could be better. So I started doing the researching, and I replaced the blower motor, the HVAC blower motor, 4 years ago. I thought it made a difference then. And this, I was going to do something real simple here and then do a video about that, because I went and pulled one off of a GMT 400 I have, and it seems to spin faster than the one I took off of here, which is how it should be. I was going to do a video about that. But instead I figured, well, since I'm here, I'll go ahead and pull the resistor out and look and see if my evaporator core has any dirt and stuff on it. Oh, I'm going to try to get you to see this. Turn the light on. I got all kinds of stuff on my evaporator core. Looks like at least 50% of it's covered. And that would explain why I'm having poor AC trouble. Okay, just see where we are. Right here's the fan motor that I was going to do a voltage test while it was running. I got the power probe out and hooked up, ready to go. And you can see my constant 12 volt power supply to the relay, the blower relay, got cracks in it. So there could be corrosion in there. So, okay, there's my problem. That's what I was coming out here to do. But then, look down in there. Look all through there. Half, at least 30%, if not more, of the evaporator is covered in leaves and crud and other junk. I did not know that was in there. I had no clue. I had not pulled the resistor out since I put this truck together 8 years ago. So I have a shop vac to a funnel to what's left of the 1/2-inch high strength chemical resistant hose I use on the multi-fuel in-tank fuel pumps. So I'm going to stick that hose down the hole and try to get all those things off of there. I might not put some kind of 90 on there, but I don't want to. I want something soft so I don't hurt the evaporator or put holes in my AC. But whoa, that was not good. Okay. Anyway, you saw what was in there. There's fur, leaves, junk. I'm going to try to get all that out, because if nothing else, that biomass will start to corrode and dissolve my evaporator eventually. So even if your AC seems to be working good, I suggest pulling the resistor. This is the resistor pack. And one, make sure all 3 springs are good, clean. If you have a bad smell, say on the 3rd level, that would explain that one. I had a piece of some kind of goo stuck on there. But you pull this out, look down the hole, you can see your evaporator. So maybe OCD is not so much a bad thing after all. This could give me, because this would also explain why I kept freezing up sometimes. Only half the evaporator is getting air going over it, it's going to freeze up, which would explain bad AC performance sometimes. Hopefully it makes things better. So we'll see what the next video leads us to. Thanks for watching.